everyone. What are you doing today?
We were having a dance. We love to dance.
So do we. I can dance like a robot.
Show me. I love robots. Huh? Yeah, that was deadly.
What about you, Shooty? Do you dance?
I love to dance. Would you like to see some?
Oh, I'd love to see some.
Wow!
What about you, Diva? What kind of dancing do you like to do?
Oh, no. I don't dance.
Don't dance? But everyone dances.
Well, I don't. I'm not able to dance. I'm a singer.
Not able to dance, Diva? But there's no set way to dance. Everyone can dance as they fancy.
Mind you, you don't have wings, so, that could be a problem.
Did you not do any dancing as a child, Diva?
I was a singer even then. I didn't have time to go to dancing lessons.
But you don't need lessons. You just listen to the music and do whatever you like.
Really?
Really?
Everyone dances in their own way. Even when the wind blows, the trees they sway. The baboons they move like this, and the bears they bounce like that. Everyone dances in their own way. I just wanna dance with you. There's so many moves that we can do. I just wanna dance with you. When I move my feet, I never feel blue. Everyone dances in their own way. Whichever way you move, it'll be a glorious display. The tigers, they dance like this, and the owls, they fly like that. Everyone dances in their own way. I just wanna dance with you. There's so many moves that we can do. I just wanna dance with you. When I move my feet, I never feel blue. I just wanna dance with you. There's so many moves that we can do. I just wanna dance with you. When I move my feet, I never feel blue. I just wanna dance with you. There's so many moves that we can do. I just wanna dance with you. When I move my feet, I never feel blue.
Oh, that looked like so much fun.
Well, why don't you give it a try?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, go on!
Why don't you try my robot dance? It's easy. Go on, Diva. We'll dance with you. Look.
I will have such fun today. We will have plenty to say. I will write some songs to play, and Simon says I'll guide the ships coming our way so they can sail into the bay.